cut our losses in half, but still 2-to-1 declining to advancing stocks. Take a look at the sectors today. The retail debacle continues. We had good numbers from Macy's. It really started there, though. Good numbers from Walmart's not helping them again. Semis, of course, down on the NVIDIA and Applied Materials. Banks flattish to slightly down. Energy up. By the way, oil's rallying 3 days in a row now, and that's stabilizing the energy sector. There's a little bit of good news. On the earnings front, I just want to point out what the actual news is on these companies. I mean, Nordstrom would have beaten by a penny, it looks like, if not for that one-time charge for the credit overcharge. I know the valuation is high, but 12% on that? Williams-Sonoma, the sales missed because there were inventory delays due to congestion at Chinese ports that were impacting all of their brands. They bring in this stuff from China. 13%. NVIDIA, all right, that was disappointing, but it was due to the crypto slowdown. It looks like the data center was terrific. Looks like the auto business may be a record for the third quarter. I don't know, 18% on a slowdown in crypto. My point here bringing up is, where are we in the stock market right now? It seems to me like we're getting really large stock moves that are a bit unrelated to the importance of the news, the magnitude of the news. And I think the reason this is happening is it's not related to the stocks necessarily. It's related to the macro situation, a confusion over Fed intentions and global growth outlook, China and tariffs, Europe and Brexit. That's what's causing the confusion here. And I'm concerned there's no catalyst until what? The G20 meeting? When is that? November 30th? The expectations are very low there. Maybe they could turn that around, but we're just sitting around looking at this for the week here. Retail is back to, oh, we've got problems again. After middle of the year, things were better. Semis, energy down again, healthcare. And that's a big stable sector. And banks haven't been doing anything. It's the whole market is down 1% to 2% again this week. Retailer, again, middle of the year. Oh, a lot of people are going to fight against Amazon. And now, look, we see what's going on. This is just daily what's happening here in the last few days. Finally, I just want to point out, nobody talked about it, but Intel announced a really big buyback. I mean, $15 billion. They've got another $5 billion sitting around. This could be another 10% reduction in the shares outstanding. Intel is one of that small class of people, along with Apple and IBM and Exxon, that are buyback monsters. They had 6.6 billion shares outstanding in 2002. They're now down to 4.5 billion. They have reduced their shares outstanding 30%. That means all other things being equal, their earnings are 30% higher as a result of that, and it's going to go down likely to 4.1 or 4.2 billion in the next year or two if they do that buyback and fully execute everything. There's Intel up 4% for the year, outperforming the S&P.